Welcome to the video answer key for the Grand Staff Lesson 1 workbook. I'll be completing the workbook in real time, so you can follow along and check your answers as we go along. Let's get started. You can start by writing your name, Question number 1 says, here is the grand staff. You have a treble clef and a bass clef joined together by a line, which we call our brace. Let me just add the brace. Okay. And they want us to trace the grand staff to practice the correct shape and spacing, okay? Okay, question number 3. In the space below, draw the grand staff. Okay, so we should know that we have to have 5 lines. So I'm going to draw my lines. Do the best you can. They're not going to be straight. We're not using a ruler. That's 3 lines. That's 4. And that's 5. Then I'm going to go ahead and start to draw my bass clef staff. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. Then I'm going to draw my line and my brace. Okay. We didn't have our brace here. That was a typo. I apologize. But you should know how to draw your brace. Now we're going to go ahead and add our treble clef. Okay. And then I'm going to draw my bass clef. I'm going to draw this treble clef a little bit better. And that's why we say practice with a pencil. There we go. Try to clean it up. Good. All right. Nice work. Okay. Let's move along. Question number 4. On the staff below, trace the 2 treble clefs, then draw 6 more treble clefs. All right, so let's practice tracing. Good. And now we're going to draw our own. And do the best you can. They don't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine are not perfect, and if I have to use the eraser, I don't have a problem using my eraser. And we need a total of 6 more, so that means 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. don't like the way my pencil, have to get a better point on my pencil. But this is why we practice. This is a workbook. Fix my pencil here. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's do question number 5. On the staff below, trace the 2 bass clefs, then draw 6 more bass clefs. All right, so you know you're on the 4th line. And we're going to trace the 2nd one. And we need 6 more. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. And 6. Good job. Okay, question 6. Fill in the blanks. A musical staff has blank lines and blank spaces. 5 lines and 4 spaces. The lines and spaces are counted from the blank of the staff, from the bottom of the staff. When a treble clef and a when a treble staff and a bass staff are joined together on the left side, they form the grand staff. All right, good job.